Okay, what's up guys? So you have reached the supercut of installing the alarm setup. If you're uncomfortable and don't know what you're doing about it, then watch the video that will be linked in the description. So this is just going to be a supercut of the process. So, yeah. I'm going to be doing the BG12 with the fire bell. Okay, here's your first box. Want to take the red wire, put it down. Black wire going up. Okay, now you want to open your pull station, and you just put the screws through them holes. And there we go. Okay. Next, you want to probably get a ladder. It ain't required, but I suggest it. Okay. You want to run one wire to the bottom and just pull it through the side like that. I'm going to do the same thing with the other wire and just feed that wire through. Grab it. And then take the other one. Push both of them through. And pull them to the side. Like that. Now you're going to get your alarm. Now you want to take your positive and just wrap it together. And wrap them with electric tape, at least one of them. I'm just going to do one of them because, well, yeah. And then you want to just install your alarm the same way you did for your pull station. Alright. Now, you want to take the wire coming from the top of the pull station and hook it to the negative. To the positive, I mean. Wrap it with electric tape. And push the excess down into the box, if you so wish. Okay, that's good enough. Now, the wire coming out of the pull station goes to the positive the wire coming from the alarm is the negative. Congratulations, you got your fire alarm installed. Always wrap your connections to the battery with electrical tape. And here we go. And congratulations, you got your fire alarm installed. There we go.